Here's something that sounds right, but isn't. Most people think wealthy parents teach their kids one thing: earn more, get a better job, higher salary, more income. Logical, reasonable, safe. But that's not actually what they teach. And that gap, that one difference, is exactly why some people earn well their entire life and still feel like they're running in place. Let's decode this. Imagine two kids. Same school, same grades, same starting line, but very different lessons at home. Kid A hears this: study hard, get a good job, earn well. Kid B hears something that sounds almost identical, but isn't. Don't just earn money, learn what money does after you earn it. At first, it sounds like the same advice. It's not even close. Fast forward 10 years. Kid A gets a good job, salary's rising, life looks stable. Kid B? Also doing fine, nothing dramatic, nothing obvious. But here's where things start to quietly separate. Kid A increases lifestyle with income. Better phone, better car, better neighborhood, because that's what success looks like, right? Kid B does something that feels slower, almost boring, and this is exactly where most people stop paying attention. Here's what's actually happening. Rich parents don't just teach earning, they teach flow, where money goes after it comes in. Because income is visible. Everyone can see income. But money flow? That's invisible. And invisible things control visible outcomes. Kid A's money flows outward. Spending, bills, lifestyle upgrades, repeat. Kid B's money gets redirected. A portion to somewhere else first. Not upgrades, not rewards, ownership. Think about this differently. The lesson isn't save more, it's this: don't live on what you earn, live on what's left after you invest. Decide first, spend later. Assets before upgrades, ownership before lifestyle. And early on, you won't see the difference. Both lives look similar. Same restaurants, same clothes, same everything for a while. But underneath, two completely different systems are running. One system: earn, spend, adjust, repeat. The other: earn, allocate, grow, then spend. Small shift, massive outcome. Because over time, Kid A becomes dependent on income. Kid B becomes supported by assets. And here's the uncomfortable part. Kid A isn't pilling anything wrong. They're doing exactly what they were taught. Work hard, earn more, upgrade life. That's the script most people receive. But no one tells them this: income alone doesn't create freedom, it creates responsibility. More income, more commitments, more pressure. So even when the number goes up, the feeling of freedom doesn't. Meanwhile, Kid B reaches a strange, quiet point where money starts working in the background. No noise, no fanfare, no visible change, until one day, income is no longer the main driver. Assets are. And that's when everything flips. So the real lesson isn't earn more money, it's this: control what money does after you earn it. That's the difference between looking successful and actually building something that lasts. Most people never see this mechanism. Now you do.